All right, hello everybody. Thank you for joining. I am Riley with the T Storm Chasers, and we're going to take a look at your forecast. But before we do, here is a brief word from our sponsors at Cube Portable Storage.
What are you doing?
Decluttering?
Moving? Remodeling? In need of temporary storage, emergency cleanup, or just need to declutter? Cube Portable Storage has the perfect solution. Rent your Cube Portable Storage container today.
And don't forget, they got roll-off dumpsters for the other stuff. Call Cube Storage for all your moving needs.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, March 11th, 2026, and let's dive into today's video. Taking a look firstly at our regional radar map, and we don't have a whole lot to go over, although there are a few sprinkles out there. One spot in particular is up near the Pier area. There is some light rain showers up near the Pier area, and then also one cell here near the Huron area as well. And then up here towards the Wilmot and Summit area, there's a few light sprinkles up there as well. So other than that, though, there's not a whole lot going on. We are fairly dry overall. It is mostly sunny out there. Not a lot of clouds to speak of. In fact, looking out the studio here, there is no clouds at all. So we're looking at a very pleasant mid-March day out there. Temperature-wise, we are about average, about where we should be for this time of the year. We are overall, right now we're at 41 in Sioux Falls. That is about the average high for this time of the year. We're at 43 in Huron. We're at 37 in Watertown, 41 in Aberdeen. Going out west, we're at 45 in Pierre, 39 in Rapid City, 37 in Buffalo. Into Nebraska, we are about the same. We're at 43 in Valentine, 43 in North Platte, 43 in O'Neill, 39 in Norfolk, and 41 in Omaha. Into Iowa, we're at 39 in Des Moines. We're at 36 in Spencer, 37 in Mason City. Up into Minnesota, we're also in the 30s, 39 in Minneapolis, 36 in Mankato, 34 in St. Cloud, and 36 in Wilmer. So we are going to take a look at what's ahead in this forecast, as that was a look at your current weather conditions. Now we're going to look at the future weather outlook for our area and everything that you need to know in the forecast ahead. But first, sponsorship opportunities. We are looking for sponsors. So any of you out there that want to become a sponsor with us at T Storm Chasers, reach out to us on any of our social platforms, Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, or our email or phone number as well. And then also we are launching our new Weather Call Next Gen system that is out now, and it's available to the public right now for only $15 a year. I highly recommend you sign up today. And what you get is during severe weather events, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, and flash flood warnings, you will receive a live phone call, automated phone call from us within seconds of the warning being issued for your immediate area. That is a great deal, and sign up today at tscalert.org. So here is another map. This is a look at the current weather alerts for our region. So starting west to east, out here in western Nebraska into western and central South Dakota, there is high wind warnings that are out in effect. This is for some incredible winds here. I mean, we are talking some very strong winds out west, especially out west. This goes from 9 a.m. Mountain Time tomorrow morning all the way through 10 p.m. Central Time on Thursday, so tomorrow. High winds, again, there are potential impacts here. West winds from anywhere from 35 to 45 miles per hour, with wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour is expected. So that's some incredible winds here. That is expected out west. Again, this is a very dangerous situation. If this actually plays out, we are looking at, again, 60 to 80 mile per hour winds. How about Sioux Falls? Well, we're also in a high wind warning, but not as strong of winds. This is from 7 p.m. Thursday evening through 7 a.m. Central Time Friday morning. And this is for southwestern Minnesota and then eastern South Dakota. This includes Sioux Falls, 25 to 35 northwest winds, and then gusts up to 60 miles per hour is expected. So we are looking at a pretty strong wind event here unfolding tomorrow into Friday morning. And then out here in Minnesota and Iowa, there is high wind watches that are in place as well for winds 30 to 40 with wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour. And then there is a red flag warning that is in place for western Iowa into Nebraska. And this is red flag warning in place for more fire weather concerns with the low humidity, with the strong wind gusts, 20 to 45 miles per hour. Not a good combo with the dry grass that we have is not a good combo. And we are looking at more fire weather concerns. This is from Omaha all the way through Lincoln, Grand Island, O'Neill, North Platte, Nebraska. Most of Nebraska is included in this red flag warning. So as we take a look at the latest on the European model, let's go ahead and play this out. Today, again, we're looking at those very light showers. This model run looks a little bit different. Some of this activity could reach Sioux Falls by this evening, but again, it's very light activity. We're not expecting much out of this. And then as we head into tomorrow, we are looking at a more organized system pushing through the northern plains, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, and even Iowa and the Great Lakes area. For us, we're looking mostly at some rain. It looks like we're going to be warm enough tomorrow to support rain and mostly rain. Now, as we head into Thursday night into Friday morning, there could be some lingering snow out here in the Black Hills area and out towards Rapid City, and then that would expand and into western and central South Dakota for your day on Friday. And then it expands east, and as you can see, as we head into Friday night into Saturday, that snow moves east, and Sioux Falls could get in on this snow activity, even western Iowa, northeastern Nebraska as well. And then how about Saturday? Well, it does look like we are seeing another system coming in for your weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and it looks like we are seeing a more organized system of rain, mixed precip, rain, mixed precip, and snow all included with this system, and Sioux Falls would get some snow. And then we'll see what happens after that. We might get a little bit of a break on Monday, maybe another system coming in out west on Tuesday, and maybe another system coming in on Wednesday in Minnesota. Next week, jury's still out on what's going to happen next week, but trends are suggesting there could be a couple of disturbances next week, but it doesn't look like it'll be as active as we've seen this week. This week looks to be more active. Now here is a look at some of the projections from the European model on snowfall. Have a look at the map here as we go through today, tomorrow. We're not really seeing a whole lot. Now as we go through Friday, you start to notice out west. We start to pick up some more snow out west on Friday, and then that expands east, and by Saturday, look at what happens here. Saturday into Sunday. This is what we're looking at through Sunday of this week. This is what we're looking at. This is that snowstorm that is possible. There could be a scenario where we could see a late winter blizzard here in South Dakota, Minnesota, maybe even northern Iowa. Sioux Falls could get on some of this. I do find it interesting that the model runs since yesterday have bumped up some of these snowfall totals here in our region. And Sioux Falls, just yesterday we were looking at probably 3 inches of snow, and that's doubled now. We're looking at anywhere from 5 to 8 inches in the Sioux Falls area, at least according to, again, the European model. And this system is still a few days out, so things can still change with this, but it is a little bit more, a little higher than what we saw yesterday for snow amounts. So we could be looking at a late winter snowstorm here. All right, so that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Make sure and smash that like button if you enjoyed. Drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts. We want to hear from you guys. And subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And ring those notification bells so you don't miss any of our videos. Check us out also on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok as well so you don't miss any of our content over there. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.